So what is Grenache? So Grenache is the foundation of the GSM blends in France, Grenache, Syrah, and Mourvedre. But I like Grenache from Spain, and we're going to talk about it today. Welcome back to Drinking It In, day 21 of the Wine Advent Calendar, and we're talking about Grenache today. And we're going to Spain, where it's known as Garnacha. It's more fun to say, even though Grenache rolls off the tongue, Garnacha is much more fun. In Spain, these wines, instead of being part of a blend, although they do appear in blends, but when you see a Garnacha, it's 100% Grenache, and they're bold, they're spicy, and they're just loaded with strawberry goodness. And who doesn't love strawberry goodness? Let's be honest. The wines are medium to full body. They have medium acid and medium tannins. So they're friendly. They can be very high in alcohol, so you do have to keep an eye on that, though, when you're drinking them. So since Spain is the original home of Grenache, I figured it'd be good to recommend a Spanish wine for your table. And one wine that is really a super insane value in the wine world is the Grenache from Amaro. Now, Amaro is a member of the Juan Gil estates, the Juan Gil family of estates, which makes some amazing wines under different labels, both at the low end of the market and the super high end of the market. So, and I've done some videos on the Juan Gil Humilla before and the Clio wines before, and they're all ripe and unctuous and just gorgeous. The Amaro, very similar in that, at least for a Garnacha. It's nice and ripe. There's lots of delicious red fruit. There's a touch of sweetness, right? So it appeals to some of the wine drinkers that love a California red blend that has some sweetness. So I think it's a really good one to get out and try. There was one point in time years ago where the New Hampshire wine state liquor store put Amaro on sale for $3.99 for whatever reason. And I bought a case. It was an easy decision, right? A case for under $50. And I wish I had bought more, oddly enough, because it became our house wine for a bit. I think it has potential to do the same for you. So get out there, grab yourself a bottle of the Amaro, and I will see you tomorrow for another day of the Advent Calendar.